Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber War. I am Victor. Today we're doing day 9 from the By Hack Me Advent of Cyber 2022. In case you don't know what year we're in. Sometimes I don't. So we started the machine, we started Kali, Linux. Now I'm trying to get it to be more visible. But for some reason it freezes. Alright, so the task is to pivot, and we are doing that using Metasploit. We have a machine that we need to attack, and we will first scan it a bit. Just let me find the IP. .10.10 174.3. Alright, so we have port 80 open. And that's actually one of the answers to the questions. I already did the whole room just to make sure I can go through it faster, because it's otherwise it would have taken me 40-50 minutes, and with a lot of pauses in between. All right, so we are running Laravel, and another of the questions is, what CVE is this? Is this version vulnerable to? So you could go to like an exploit database or something, CVE database, and just look for it, or you just Google it. Just like this. It's CV 2021-3129. Right? Let's run the Metasploit. Yeah, so let's look at the questions a bit until it loads and try to explain what we did for each. So for the first one, it's the Nmap scan, port 80. Then I did a curl and found the Laravel platform. Then I googled it and found this CVE. The next two answers are in the text. Sessions -u-1 is what you do to upgrade the session, and that docker env shows you it's a Docker container. That env, it it's like a file that contains useful credentials. In this specific database, users is the table with the problems. This is the password. You will discover another machine which has also port 22. You get on that and then you find the flag. So let's see what Metasploit can do for us. I'm not sure what's happening. Like when I did it, I mean the task a few minutes ago, everything went fine. Right now, try hack me is like crazy. Let's look for an exploit. Yeah, it's slowing down Firefox. What else is new? Right, so we're searching for Laravel. This is incredibly slow. Can't believe what's happening. All right, so it found an RCE from 2021. So I guess that's our exploit. Right, I moved this to Chrome. Maybe it does better. So we are using the this RC exploit. Let's see the options. We need to set remote hosts to the 10.10.174.3. And we also need to set localhost to 10.10.141.159. 141.159. All right, fine. So we're running the exploit. It's usually not as easy in the real world, but in this type of CTFs where we're supposed to learn stuff, this is the way to go. So We have a shell. All right. Let's see what other questions we have here. What command can be used to upgrade the last open session to a meterpreter? This one, and we might be using it. Okay. So we upgraded it to a meterpreter for additional stuff we can do with it. As I said, the next questions, the docker env and the env, you can just find them in the text. What's happening now is we're doing this. So we basically printed what's in this file, and we have this thing here, which is like gives us everything: the username, the password, the database, and we have a host web service database. And oh, really? Interesting. Okay. There's something happening. I did this before and it worked. He gave me the IP address. So let's try again. Okay. Let's run this thing again. Anyway, so after you resolve it, you find the IP address. This is the IP address. and you add these two routes, and then you can use some modules for databases and connect to the databases directly. I always get this mixed. Anyway, if it doesn't work right now, yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know what's wrong. We're just gonna add the routes and be done with it. We'll leave an error, but we'll add it actually. See? I'm not sure what's happening, but here they are. And now what we're doing basically is we are using more of these modules. Let me copy everything. We are using more of these modules so that whoa, what happened? I pasted everything. Okay. Okay, so this is how you find the password. And then yeah, it also dumped the schema. It ran all of them. Okay. That wasn't my intention, but and now what else do we need? What's happening is we need to create a proxy inside this environment in Metasploit so that we can use the SSH login. Or maybe we don't. So they are using the proxy only to scan this IP, and we already did so yeah. I'm not going to do this. You can just copy it. I know port 22 is open. I did it already, so I don't care that much. I'm just trying with Yes, without the proxy, I'm curious if it works. Right? Let's see if it works. Or it actually affects the whole thing. Ah, I had a dot there. Boom, it's in. So, why am I keep doing this? So, we are root. And we need to see the files. And we have the flag. So this was a pretty long one. It's already 21 minutes. I'm really not sure what's happening here. Why am I getting an error for resolve web service database? I'm not convinced what exactly I did wrong. But yeah. So there you have it. These are the answers to the questions, but you need to really go through it and play with Metasploit. Go to Try Hack Me and play with it even more. And yeah, they even recommend another module, which coincidentally I did all of it, like the Active Directory thing. I have videos on most of them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and also thanks to today's team, the Rapid 7 team, for doing this. Okay, that's the pivot call. All right. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Goodbye.